Who doesn't love steaks? But got something special for you. As I know you saw in the thumbnail, butter egg steak, y'all. But I'm gonna show you how to cook them steaks perfectly every time. Let's get to it, JB Sutton hand. So we got two beautiful, nice New York strips. Look how thick those are. Nice little marble on those. Got some butter, 5 sticks. I'm just gonna mash this. This is unsalted butter, by the way, but yeah, just keep mashing it. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of salt, a couple pinches of salt. Not too much. Just mix this in real good. Just gonna lay it on it pretty thick. Get your hands a little dirty. And do the same thing to the other side. Put this number two. Just lemon on there. All right. Got it completely covered in butter. It's been 42 days exactly, y'all. And I'm anxious to see the inside of one of these. So I'm gonna bust it open just to see if it's funky or, any weird colors, anything like that. And also just compare it to this freshly bought New York strip. So right off the bat, we can notice that it looks like that on sale Walmart meat with that darker color, but no weird smells, anything like that. So I'm happy with that. I think we got a good age. Let's get these seasoned up. We keep it simple, just salt and pepper. I don't want to alter the taste too much because I want to get a good comparison of the butter age, cooked in butter, the butter age, just cook regular, and then our regular New York strips. But just go heavy on all sides with the salt and pepper. Just make sure it's completely coated. So we got our cast iron smoking hot. I add a little bit of grapeseed oil. We're just gonna lay our steaks right in here and get that nice little crust on the outside. And you can go ahead and preheat your oven 370. But other than that, we're only gonna let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And I'm gonna just lay this one right in there with that butter. So I will be seasoning this one as I go, just like the other ones, just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. That's it. Let's get each turn. That's what we're looking for, y'all. Nice little sear on the outside. Looking good. All right. Now as it's been cooking, we're just gonna render this thick piece of fat that's on the side. We don't want any chewy or any rough pieces of fat. So we're just gonna cook this on the side for another 2 to 3 minutes. So we got this nice dark brown curtain on the outside of that fat. Let you know it's nice and rendered. It's gonna be nice and tender. And we're just gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna cook it for 8 minutes each side. I'm going for medium consistency, so that's that 140. It's about 145 internal temperature. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at here, y'all. Look at here. Cooked perfectly. So this is the regular New York strip. I could tell by the size, y'all. It was the smallest one out of the two. And this is the butter age with the butter removed. Nice and tender. All right, now this is the one that's cooked in butter. Just let these rest for a little bit. Then we're gonna cut these open. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Nice little light pink on the inside. Still really, really moist. Juice is still flowing. What else could you want? And if you want a thick steak like this, cook well done, I would still cook it the same way, the 8 minutes on each side. But what you can do is cut it into little strips like this and then put it back in the cast iron for like 1 or 2 minutes with a little bit of butter, just so you don't dry it out and overcook and have, chewy steaks. But I prefer medium, especially when I got a good quality steak like this. All right, so this is the first of our butter egg steaks. And I really want to examine this and see the cooking comparison to the regular ones. Like we got in between that 145, 150 internal temperature. I'm just guessing at this point, just based off the color, but still nice and juicy. You can tell as I squeeze, looking at the board, all juice flowing out of there, but it's looking pretty nice. The last another three, the one that's cooked in butter. I just got a feeling this one gonna taste the best simply because I drowned it in butter. But I'm noticing it seems like the one that was butter aged cooking just a little bit faster than the regular New York strips, which is fine. It still turned out nice. And feel free to let me know how you like your steaks in the comments, because I'm curious to know, because we all got different tastes. So I feel like this is the moment y'all been waiting for. So I'm gonna start with the regular one first. Butter aged. Wow. Butter aged cooked in butter. Uh, the butter aged got a slightly different taste to it, but definitely get that butter flavor. It's between the one I cooked in butter and the regular one for me. I'm gonna go with the cooked in butter. Perfectly cooked steaks though. I always want to try the butter aged. Finally got it done, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Perfectly cooked steaks, y'all. JB Sutton Hands. Thanks for watching.